to do sit-ups, Jude. What are you doing here? Look at you go. We might have a little gymnast on our hands here. He's starting with the rings. Handsome man. Trying to pull yourself up. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. He's saying hi, Jude. Say I'm getting to be a big boy. Very big. Oh, don't start the pouty face. Don't start the pouty here. You want your ring? Go ahead. And do your... You like that? That's a little bee, huh? See, we wanted to say hi to Yaya and Grandma today. There he goes, trying to do his sit-ups. There you go, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead, love. He hasn't quite gotten the hang of the whole grabbing onto things, but he's getting there. He's getting there.